Hey people, you're invited to Prophetic Movements The Sound of Worship Conference from June 16th to the 18th, 2023, featuring Jonathan Stamper, Psalmist Rain, Prophetic Movement, and friends.
That's right. We're so excited because we're having 3 nights of immersive worship experiences. Immersive, baby. No spectators allowed.
We're calling all praise dancers, musicians, and matter of fact, worshipers to come out to this conference to seek the face of God.
Friday the 16th will be a High Priest Night at 7:30 p.m. and it's for free.
Saturday the 17th will include registration, workshops at 10 a.m., and an immersive worship night with Psalmist Rain at 6:30 p.m.
And Sunday, the 18th at 7:30 p.m. will be the finale. The Sound of Worship production featuring ministrations from Prophetic Movement and friends.
Tickets are limited and only $35, so get yours before they sell out.
See you there!